Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you an effective weight loss plan that will help you reach your goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Start with a calorie deficit. The first step in any weight loss plan is creating a calorie deficit. This means you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. You can do this by reducing your calorie intake or increasing your physical activity, or a combination of both. Focus on whole foods. The next step is to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. This means eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods will provide you with the energy you need to power through your day and help you feel full and satisfied. Control portion sizes. Controlling portion sizes is also an important aspect of weight loss. Use a food scale, measuring cups, or eyeball your portions to make sure you're eating the right amount for your goals. Incorporate high-intensity interval training. Incorporating high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into your fitness routine can help boost weight loss. HIIT involves short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest. This type of exercise is highly effective at burning fat and building lean muscle. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for weight loss. Sleep helps regulate hormones that control hunger and metabolism, and studies have shown that lack of sleep can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help support your weight loss goals. Stay consistent. Finally, the key to any successful weight loss plan is consistency. This means making healthy choices day in and day out, even when you're faced with temptations and challenges. Stick with it, and you'll be able to reach your goals in no time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's important to be patient and kind to yourself along the way. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy living tips and tricks.